So you have 4 8-inch.
Yeah. Yeah.
You plug one.
Tuning was a little higher. You know,
Yeah.
got in the upper 50s, 556.
And you really got that snug.
Yeah, but get it.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Hey, if you ain't done it, bro, get those electric fans, man. Get rid of that cook fan. Yeah, bro, it helps a lot, man. I just got the aluminum radiator, the bigger radiator. My shit doesn't even get over.
My name's Jacob. I do a lot of YouTube videos.
Hey, yeah, that's what, man.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Could you tell me real quick your name and what's in here before demo?
Yeah, let me find the right song. You taping right now?
Yeah, go ahead. Can you tell me what you got real quick?
Oh, okay, I got 3 ZB5 18s. I got 80 amp hour of Protos running on the base 30K. Got 1 alternator, 370 JS, Barry DeLeach, electric fans, the whole 9 yards, man. So that's what's that's what's going on in here.
Who built the box?
Bubba Brewer from Triple B Customs in Lakeland.
Okay.
Yeah, he's dialed in.
Nice and big.
Yeah, it's all right. They got aero ports in the back, so I just plug one up.
Okay.
And you know, to help with the frequency and so get down low.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So you plug one of your ports so it plays lower.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Can I see the port?
Sure. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to see it, man. Awesome. Wow. So you have 4 8-inch.
Yeah. Yeah.
You plug one.
Tuning was a little higher. You know, got in the upper 50s, 556.
And you really got that snug.
Yeah, but get it.
Did a good job.
Appreciate it, man.
Nice. And then you got a little brace here help too?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I got the wood roof.
Solid roof, okay.
Yeah.
Have you metered it just to know what it does?
Yeah, with not as much power as it has right now.
Yeah.
And the one port that was already in, it did a 55.8. Yeah.
Okay, that's really good.
And I think it was at 35, I think it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, nice to meet you.
I don't chase numbers anymore, man. I go for fun now.
Yes,
you know?
sir. I understand.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jeff.
Jeff. Jacob.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thanks.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate seeing you soon. Getting down low.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Jeff's system. Really impressive triple subwoofer system in his SUV. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment, give him some positive feedback you like about his system, as well as give him a like. He did a good job showcasing it at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021 is where this demo was. So thank y'all for watching. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. His vehicle was really getting tore up from this. I really like the box layout and also being a triple sub system, adding extra cone area. Instead of just doing a dual sub system, 2 18s, he made it work with 3 18-inch subs. And he was talking about how he plugged one of his ports, kind of gave him a lower end response, and he's not really an SPL competitor anymore. But 3 8-inch aero ports, there were 4, but plugging one of them helped him play lower. Anybody that has multiple aero ports, if you ever try plugging one of them or extending the aero port a little bit farther, you can test and trial and error to kind of see which one is louder or plays lower to your preference. He did have the amplifier hidden. Sorry I didn't get to show it, but it is a 30,000 watt amplifier. The Teramps base 30K is what he said it was on 3 of these subs. Most likely wired at either 0.7 or 1.3 ohm. So anyway, we're about to get to the cardio base demo. Insane amount of flex, really tearing up. I'm surprised he didn't break his back glass you're going to see in this demo. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos on YouTube, Jacob Vile, every day, and enjoy this impressive demo from Jeff. one of your ports so it plays lower.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
So thank you for the demo.
Thanks, man.
Woo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.